I don't know how Makipuela does it, our Coliseum announcer. She'll laugh with us, and then she'll sound so poised, like she's announcing the flight to Kathmandu somewhere.
Expertise.
Iba, no? Iba yung a woman, multitasking. No?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, of course. With a husband like Louis Puela, yes.
Oo. Ayoko nagtitrain yung anak ko sa kanila. Have to only say good words.
Boy.
Pati kay Coach Louis. San
Laguna
Sebastian.
in volleyball, here we come. Here we go.
Nako. Malayo pa. San Sebastian, 6 service points. Ateneo having 7.
Verbano. Ateneo playing a better offensive game, actually, here.
Look at that set coming from the very young Giselle Tan.
Still serve pa lang, kinikilig na itong fans, ano? Remember Samboy Lim before? That's a different case. People knew somebody was bound to fly. Well done by Buali. Ahumira out of position.
Kanina in the timeout at sinabi rin nga ni Rina sa atin na iniiwasan din ni Coach Clint na yung mga girls mag-rely so much on Jeng Boli.
Good point.
Diba?
Yes.
Yung mahirap rin talaga eh. I mean, si Jeng nakikita natin in the mga previous tournaments pa nga, in the previous seasons, yun yung nagiging problema. Napapagod na siya pagdating ng mga fourth set. And turn back was Jeng Boli on that last play.
Dakis doing so many things defensively with her Ateneo teammates.
And plus, yung mga, again, yung reactions, yung sige, let it all out.
Yeah. Lazaro. Tan. Valdez from the back row. Crisostomo back set. Nice push by Buali. Ahumiro. Nice kid.
Eliza was there.
Everybody's sliding and skidding. Dakis. So does Verbano. Bang!
Oh, Jeng Boli. And Rachaelan. Oh.
Somebody order pizza here.
But credit the defense of Rachaelan Dakis. Grabe. Parang libero. Naubusan nga yata. Grabe yung ginawa niya doon.
Ahumiro, left-handed stab. Oh, that stays down.
Oh, nobody there for the second ball. Mataas pa naman sana yun. Pwede pa. Miscue on the side of the Lady Stags.
Mikasa is our official ball here at the Shakey's B-League. Tajima's back in the game. I like the discipline of the substitution pattern here. Nothing proceeds unless it's crystal clear from the scorer and the second referee.
That goes out.
Mas madali pa pumasok sa Macau o kaya sa Bangkok kaysa makapasok sa game na to. 2013, Lady Eagles in front. Sets are tied, 1 apiece. Time out. Let's listen in.
San Sebastian having 1 block pa lang so far, as Ateneo having 6 already in all sets. They had it with 2 blocks.
Ahumiro, a southpaw, kept alive. Sometimes just effort keeps it in play. That's out.
Labiano using the blockers, the tall blockers of Ateneo to take that point.
I noticed Coach Roger stretching his lineup here today, using more of his players actually.
Which is tama naman. If you were Coach Roger, remember ang daming nawala sa kanya this year.
5. Some are still around, but oh.
Jeng Boli asking for a touch. No go, says a referee.
Oh,
Pinapaamin niya pa yata. Ito mo, pinapaamin niya pa si Tajima.
like
Lightweight Cortez.
Like Tajima's gonna admit.
Oh, pero napapasmile na rin si Tajima. Poetic justice.
The bad relative came to the party.
Ay. Crisostomo in the third set. 3 excellent
Okay.
digs. Dakis with the same number. So
Okay.
sabi ko na nga, parang libero laro ni Rachel Ann.
22-15. What I've liked about Rachel through the years, when she commits an error, it doesn't stay very long.
Oh, yun ang maganda.
Tapos,
Sa volleyball,
move on.
yan ang number 1 sa akin.
Move on.
Sa player, yan yung tinitignan ko, yung capacity to, yung transition from an error. Tapos, bawi ang attitude, yung bawi ka agad.
I've seen that sa FEU pa lang, si Rachel will miss, yan, bawi ako agad. Bilis na.
Layo-layo tayo, may hirapan talaga tayo dyan. Okay, baka nakakalimutan yung third set na, baka pag-iin pa lang tayo. Lahat para lang dito sa tentative. Dapat yun nag-uri. Hindi na kayo nagkakapaka pa eh. Third set na, matapos na. Hindi lang natin tentative pa rin ang laman.
It's actually the third playing day. Just opened 3 days ago. Oh! Ganda sa slow-mo na. Look at Eliza's smile at the ball. Stay down. Stay down, you Mikasa ball.
2 touches called on Berbano.
If you're not used to Eliza, you would say she was mocking you. Shakey's for fun. Family pizza's gotta be Shakey's. Ule.
Oh, single block. Tajima timing it well and getting the set point.
Ateneo with a better set this time around. They controlled it from the opening serve. Here's Ami Humiro's serve. And I think this is the crawler across the net. I'm not sure.
There, yung single
Nope,
block.
single block, yep.
Tajima.
We shall be back. Huwag ko kayong lalayo. Ito po ang Shakey's Billy.